not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under, one step away till you hear.
Hey loves, welcome back for another video. So today I'm bringing you some quick cleaning motivation, but before we get too far into the video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not already, make sure your post notification bell is on so you'll know every single time I upload. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get to cleaning. And today I'm just starting off by cleaning my son's bathroom. We are going to get it all tidied up. It really wasn't that bad, and then I'm going to move on.
Greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong, I'm gonna rise and fly, and leave the gold between the lines. I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by numbers isn't how I want it to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and
if this is your very first time visiting my channel today, hi and welcome. My name is Sean Yvonne, and over here on my channel I post all types of cleaning motivation, so if that is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here and join my YouTube family. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know that you are here and watching so that we can get to know each other.
now he's my silver lining. Whenever you call, what you say, you're nothing but a gold ring. To be true, say I do, but you're no one I needed in life. Oh, that is why you are stuck between the lines. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, oh, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong.
I do apologize about the angles. Bathrooms are very hard to film in, so I do the best that I can and try to give you some good angles, but it is not always easy.
Just close your eyes and let them rest. I know it's hard to fall asleep, but do your best. 'Cause there's a place that I go to when I wanna hide from all the shades of blue. 'Cause at times I think of leaving, my mind takes me back to fall, when the snow begins to sing goodnight to warm.
Now I'm just going to wash these rugs that came out of my son's bathroom. I'm also going to wash the mop pad that I use to mop the floor. And to wash, I usually use this Tide Oxy detergent, but I kind of bounce back and forth depending on what's on sale. I also like to use vinegar in my loads, and I actually learned this from Yesenia, A Mom's Life. So if you're not following her or subscribe to her channel, please go subscribe. She is amazing, and this really does take the odors out of laundry. I also use some Lysol laundry sanitizer.
Just feel the wind. If you look close, you see the lilies dancing how they slow.
So I was getting ready to load the dishwasher, but I realized I was tripping because my husband was not busy this night and he had to jump in here and get this dishwasher loaded up for me. I do not like to load the dishwasher. I honestly don't know how to fit a lot of stuff in there, but my husband will fit all of the dishes in the kitchen in that dishwasher. Okay, he knows how to fit those in there, and he does a much better job than me.
When the snow begins to sing goodnight to all, but I will never leave your side. You're the reason to my pride. Never wither and runs dry, and your roses are my guides. Goodbye, my friend, our love remains breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me, because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over.
For the countertops and the stove, I'm just going in with this Force of Nature cleaner to get it all clean. I did not have a big mess. I had no spills, so it was an easy cleanup. I just wanted to wipe down the countertops and clear the clutter and be done.
I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me, because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Oh, acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do.
Now I'm just cleaning off the table, and of course I have Sydney here with me because she wanted Mama, and Mama has to clean so Mommy can clean and hold the baby. But after I get done cleaning the table, I'm going to move on and tidy up the living room, and that is going to be it, you guys. Some days I don't have a whole lot to clean, but I do always clean my home every single day. I cannot sleep at night. I feel like I will toss and turn and have nightmares if I don't clean the kitchen, especially. Okay, so if anybody else is like that, you cannot sleep unless your kitchen is clean, let me know in the comments.
Teasing me, but you're nothing without me, baby. When you hold me, I rather lost my senses than be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. I was running from myself those days, always breathless, search for something safe. And then I smashed into that golden face. For the first time, I don't run away. We danced together till we got it right. Ups and downs through many days and nights. You appeared to be my guiding light, and at the same time I realized, oh baby, when you hold me, I rather lost my senses than be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. Oh baby, as long as I got you. Oh baby, baby, as long as you want me to. As long as I got you, you. As long as I got you.
And now it's time to clean the living room, and my kids are everywhere, of course, but that is okay. They are enjoying their last hour before bedtime. I can clean around them. I do it all of the time. And I'm really one of those moms that like to clean up before the kids go to bed instead of after they go to bed. Because after the kids go to bed, I really just want to relax, watch a movie with my husband, just chill. I don't want to be cleaning up for hours, okay? So I try to clean up throughout the day just to get it done.
My senses, them be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. Oh, baby, as long as I got you. Oh, baby, baby, as long as you want me to. As long as I got you. As long as I got you. I'm done with embrace. I'm done with ache. 'Cause I'm done with fake. As long as I got you. I'm done with embrace. I'm done with ache. 'Cause I'm done with fake. Oh, baby, when you hold me, I'd rather lost my senses than be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. I'm done with embrace. Oh, baby, as long as I got you. 'Cause I'm done with baby, baby, as long as you want me to. I'm done with embrace. As long as I got you.
I really hope you guys have enjoyed this quick cleaning motivation. I hope it motivated you to get up and do something around your home today. Even if you don't have a lot of time, just get up and get it done. You will always feel better about it in the end. Don't forget to like this video up if you've enjoyed. Subscribe if you have not already. Make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any future uploads. Leave me a comment down below. You know I love talking to you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying.